Espresso Affogato is a simple drink, or a simple dessert, or maybe both depending on how much ice cream you add. Freshly made vanilla ice cream is probably the most popular, but you can be creative with the flavor of ice cream, your serving dish, and how you like to garnish. However, the best affogato uses the best and freshest ingredients and is served at the right temperature, which is the espresso hot enough to melt into the ice cream. You do not need to use the dark roasted espresso blends that are normally offered. In your espresso machine, you can use the coffee you like to drink. The beans used here are medium roasted, single origin, organic Arabica beans from Colombia that were freshly roasted in a small home roaster. To make an espresso affogato, add a few small 1-inch balls of freshly made vanilla ice cream to the bottom of an espresso cup and pour a shot or 30 milliliters of espresso coffee over top. Sprinkle with a little powdered cocoa sugar and serve with a demi-tasse spoon.